In the last video, I have explained you how to accept a number with the input stream reader and buffer reader. Today, let's see in using the util scanner how to do that. I will explain you once again in this video. You can go to the previous video I have explained earlier, but who are the new subscribers, for them it will be more useful. And you scan for the scanner class. I am importing the class import. I'm importing the package java dot io dot star okay util dot scanner semicolon. Instead of this I can write scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in semicolon. Now I have to give the variable for accepting the number. Scan int size equals to sc dot next int return. Now if I compile this, sc is not okay. If I compile this compile word, if you see here there is a no syntax error. Now I can go here, void main method call, click OK, enter the size. If my size is 4, it will print. Void main method call OK. If my input is 3, it will print as it is. Now you can go for anything. Let's clear the output with the shortcut Control K. Compile, void main method call OK, enter the size. Say I'm taking as 5. It is printing. This is how the scanner class can be implemented. That's it. Thank you. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I will solve it. If you have any explanation, I can do that. Let me know. And do subscribe my channel if you are aware of my videos, if you like my videos, and share with your brothers or sisters who are in the 10th class or intermediate. I will try to help them with my video lectures. Thank you.